Bentley looks to combine efficient driving and sumptuous luxury with the launch of the new Bentayga Hybrid at the Geneva Motor Show. The plug-in model features a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that provides 31 miles, 50 kilometers, of fully electric driving in the NEDC range test. The model will go on sale in unspecified selected markets in the latter half of 2018. The new powertrain gives Bentley reason to make some small tweaks to the interior. For example, instead of a switch for the automatic start-stop system, there are controls for the electric powertrain, including EV drive, hybrid, and hold mode. A revised infotainment system features a new information screen that displays details about how the hybrid is routing power. A battery status dial replaces the coolant temperature gauge too. Buyers looking for some added style can pair their Bentayga Hybrid with a power dock charger, see above, from famed designer Philippe Starck. The wall-mounted device features a copper-colored resin surround that evokes the SUV's trim. There's a bulbous aluminum panel in the center,